Realtor, and in 2020, I'm essential. The Arizona Association of Realtors is the largest trade association in Arizona. And with over 50,000 realtors strong, we're ready to help you buy, sell, or lease anything. Literally anything. In 2020, we've done whatever it takes to keep people safe, while still delivering that famous Realtor gold standard service, like meeting clients at the property, or wearing a mask. We're even offering virtual tours.
It's to die for, so presidential.
Or having a billion client Zoom meetings. Right, Gary? But we've talked enough today. So why invest in the Realtor Party? Without us, your elected leaders never would have passed policies to solve the issues facing our industry. Policies like authorizing the use of e-signatures and remote online notary. We did that. The Realtor Party is working harder than ever to make sure we remain the political force in Arizona and have fun doing it.